Hi, this is Eric Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to decode the model tag on your LG washer. The model tag is normally located around the opening of the washer's door. The LG model number can be broken down into several sections that will help us identify the type, the style of appliance, its features, and its color and version. The first position of the model number tells us the type of appliance. For our model, the first position is W, which stands for washer. Another example of the first character is D for dryer. The second position of the model number tells us the style of washer. The M on our model tag stands for front load washer. Other examples of this are T for top load washer, D for pedestal washer, and KE for washer dryer combo tower. The third position is a set of 4 numbers. These numbers represent the general feature level of the washer. Typically, a higher number means a larger washer with more features available. The fourth position of the model number identifies the functions of the washer, most commonly whether it includes a built-in heater or not. For example, our washer has an H, which stands for heater. If the washer does not have a heater, it will show C for no heater. The fifth position will be the color of the washer. Our washer has W for white. Other examples would be R for red, V for graphite steel, and B for black steel. The sixth position may not exist on some models of washers. If your model number has an A in the sixth position, it means that your washer has an Allergen steam cycle. If there is no sixth position on your model number, it means that this feature isn't included on your appliance. And the last important part of information on the model number is the version code. Some LG appliances undergo engineering changes or part changes over time, so the model number may be assigned a new version code after each change. Version codes are located to the right or the end of the model number, separated from the model number on the tag by a space and a /. An original version will start with a /00 and count up 1 digit for each version of the appliance. For example, the /00 at the end of our model number indicates the first version of the appliance. A /01 would indicate it's an updated version. It is important to make sure that you include the version number at the end of the model number when searching for parts to be sure that you get the correct part for that version. If you need to purchase a new part for your LG washer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.